Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while I talked to you guys this way through voiceover. The videos I've been uploading these days have been without voice. Yeah, so I miss talking to you guys though. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my own tiger nut milk or tiger nut juice with everything you are seeing on the screen here. This is my first time that I'm making this drink. Mind you, I made this video since May, night of May. Yeah. So I'm finally uploading it. I'm going through my phone, then I now saw that I haven't uploaded the video or this one. So I decided to edit and upload it now. So let's test it out to know how it will go, if I will like it or not. So enjoy. Please watch the video from the beginning to the end. It's not long. So I don't know if it's going to taste weird or not because it is my first time and I'm adding everything that you are seeing: banana, coconut, date, ginger, pineapple. Yeah, I added those things to it. I don't know if it tastes good, I'm lucky. If it doesn't taste good, I will be angry because I could have eaten my tiger nut jelly on its own. Though this one was a dried one, very dried. I have to soak it for like 2 days. Soak it with warm water and put it inside the fridge for 2 days for the thing to soak and be soft a little. So guys, let me not bore you guys with talking. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.